above my room, that's what I like, yeah. Paparazzi in my face, I want those blinding lights. No cameras, please, I have you on your knees, begging for more. You want me, you want all of me. You say that you want me, I make the party look good. When I walk in, I raise the roof. You wish you could be like me, double take and take a look. Made me famous, I want you to know what my name is. I want it all, new pants whenever I like, keep my memory alive. Just make me famous. Have my own TV show dedicated to me, privacy taken away. Oh, that's what you think. A book, yeah, or a TV sign with a line right out that door. You get me, yeah. Like Oliver, you want more and more. The little me is shouting, girl, I wanna be a star. Just lift your hair, shake your butt, and then you'll be a star. That's right. I know there's much more to it. I've been classically trained in ballet, tap, modern jazz. I'll never be ashamed. Made me famous. I want you to know what my name is. I want it all, new pants whenever I like, keep my memory alive. Just make me famous. You must think I'm crazy, working on the daily. My name is Misha Dawn, and don't forget about it, baby. No, really. Made me famous.